giveaway time. So if you're unaware, we did a little promotion here on Facebook and YouTube where it was part of the Facebook group and the YouTube video that I put up. All you had to do was comment, and you can actually enter to win one of these scan tools right here. This is the Launch C-Reader Elite 2.0. Got a full video on showing this. I got a couple videos on that actually. It's just a fantastic low cost scan tool, and right now with it being Black Friday, it's actually on sale. So you can get it for, I'm showing $150, $120 right now, Black Friday deal. Links are in the description to this. Now there's a lot of comments and questions about the scan tool itself, what it can do. And I did go over a lot of it, but I didn't go over everything on it. So there's more in-depth videos on the YouTube channel. But if that's not enough for you, because this is GM only, I know a lot of people were asking about doing all manufacturers. This one actually I have as well, CRP919BT. It's Bluetooth. This works fantastic. Does very similar functions to this, maybe a little bit more, but it also allows for multiple vehicles, all makes, manufacturers. Just want to throw that out there, but this giveaway is specific to this Launch C-Reader Elite 2.0, and it is GM only. Now, like I said, the links are in the description on here. I also found this one. I'm not familiar with this, but this shows different manufacturers that you can do it on there. So I just wanted to show that, but let's go ahead and, so the way that I have it is a random number generator is what we're going to use. Now the video comments are right here, and the video itself is actually right here. And if you missed it, I'm sorry that you missed out, but we'll probably do something like this similar. Now we're also going to do a little bonus giveaway towards the end. But what this is this is the DemonWorkshop, and there's now products on there. We've got PPE and VSE, but one of which is merchandise. So I'd like to give away one of these t-shirts to somebody. Now we have 107 entries on Facebook, and we have 165 entries on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select a person from the YouTube comments. Again, another random generated number. And from there, they will be the winner of the t-shirt. And I'll get in contact with you guys, or you guys get in contact with me if you're the winner. So this is limited to USA only. That's YouTube rules, not my rules, but just saying. So if you're a winner from Canada, I don't think I can ship this intercontinental. So we're going to select a backup number also, just in case there's an error. So here's the Facebook group. This is drawing entries are closed, numbers 1 through 7. So again, like I said, I'm going to do a random generator on the numbers, and we'll select a winner. But let's go ahead and let's take a closer look at the shirt that you can be getting. I've got a bunch of those available. We've got hats available also, and like I said, there's VSE products on there now. We have PPE products are being loaded as well. It's a new site, so I got to load it all up, and yeah, so hopefully I can help you guys out. I know there's a bunch of videos showing the installation, my opinions of these products, but now you can actually purchase them through the channel. So anyway, let's get to what everybody is waiting for, and let me set this camera down real quick. This is not going to be an edited video, so bear with me. Let's get this clicked back on. All right, so like I said, Facebook group is 107 people. So hopefully you can see that number generator. This is random number generator from Google, and I just selected 1 to 107. I'm calling it out because I honestly can't tell if the screen is picking it up or not. So I'm going to click generate, and we have number 97. So that is for Facebook, number 97. Let's see if we can find that. Oh, this is going to be joyous right here. So let's see if this, we got top comments. If we do all comments, we can scroll. Number 97, let's see where we're at on these. Number 10, oh, we got a long way to go, guys. Let's see. Facebook group. This is Duramax 3.0 Technical and Performance. Just an FYI, if you're not part of the group, feel free to join. We do have some awesome moderators. We really don't like people bashing each other, so we kindly remove them. Oh, 97, look at that, clicked on it. Hope I'm Not Too Late by Wes Blair. Looks like you're not too late, Wes. So I'm going to go ahead and reply to this. You were selected as the winner. That way we can document that. Now what I'm going to do, in case there's an issue with Wes Blair, we're going to do a backup number. All right, so this may not mean anything, but we're going to do this as a backup. Number 105 is our backup, so we won't scroll. Well, maybe, I think we got this down now. So 105 should be, there's 106. All right, so Ben, you are in the queue as the backup winner. All right, so I'm just going to put that on here. No, we're going to leave that alone so that way we don't start anything, any confusion. All right, so we've got it recorded. We can remember that. Now, let's go. This is the YouTube video right here. I thought it was pretty good. I was able to blast through a bunch of the functions on it and whatnot, but all right, so how many are there? We've got 165 people on YouTube with the comments. So let's go ahead and go back to the generator. We're going to change this to 165, and this is going to be our YouTube comments winner right here. And like I said, after this, we're going to select another backup just to be safe. And then what we'll do is select the t-shirt winner. But let's go ahead and click generate. This is our YouTube winner, number 46. All right, let's see. I think this is easier. I've got number 46. We're going to search number 46. All right, and we've got John Louder, 6043. We're going to go ahead and reply to him. You were the winner here. We're going to do, please contact me, and I'll edit this and put my email afterwards. All right, so John Louder, congrats. Now let's select a backup just to be safe. This is the backup for the YouTube, just in case there's any issues with that one. Number 118 on YouTube. Let's just go ahead and take a quick peek to see who the backup person is. All right, Bauer George. So you are the backup. Let's see what happens with this, and then we'll go from there. But now what we will do, we'll keep it on the 165. Again, this is from DemonWorkshop.com. You got the t-shirt right here. This is the V2 t-shirt. It's V2 because V1 is the one with the ZR2 on the back of it. But this is V2. This just came out. I seriously just got these delivered. And yeah, it's got the Demon D on the front. We got the DemonWorks on the back. All right, so let's just cut to the chase here. Let's generate somebody. 158 is the winner of the t-shirt, the bonus t-shirt here. All right, let's get rid of that. 158. Who's 158? All right, Downshifter 4179. You are the winner of the t-shirt. We'll put bonus t-shirt winner here. Contact me. All right. Boom, so we got it. Let's, I guess, let's just call it good right there because I can ship the t-shirt to wherever it needs to go. But I appreciate you guys entering into this, and hopefully if you weren't a winner on this, everyone can be a winner by picking it up at this super smoking price. Like I said, this is just what you get for the price is pretty darn good. It's amazing that a scan tool with this level of functions inside of it can do as much as it can. But yeah, I like it. It's kind of, I like to go to it for real quick, grab it, plug it in. I mean, you just got the GM only stuff in there, so you can kind of see right there. And there were a bunch of questions on it. If you wanted to add on different manufacturers, yes, you can. It's an added charge. But I would just recommend you grab something like this if you're going to be doing more than one manufacturer. I like this for that. I use that with our used cars at my work. So anyway, congrats to everybody. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody out there. And until next time we do a giveaway like this, I definitely think we should do more. What do you think? Should we do more? All right. Until next time. See ya.